Hey, this is Dr. Ryan Jameson with Airrosti. Right now we're standing in front of one of my favorite places, Lady Bird Lake in Austin, Texas, and we're going to be going over some warm-up exercises that you can do before my favorite hobby, paddleboarding. So why warm up for paddleboarding? Paddleboarding is a full body exercise that requires the use of every muscle of the body. If you warm up, that allows you to stay in the water for longer, prevent injuries, and also allows you to have a little bit more fun. For the first exercise, we're going to be doing a half kneeling twist. This exercise is amazing for warming up the hips and the low back prior to paddleboarding. All you're going to do is take a step back, and you can do this with your left leg forward or your right leg forward. You're going to place your hands on the ground, and you can either keep your knee elevated or the knee on the ground. You're going to take your hand and reach up towards the sky. You don't want to twist into any pain here, so just be careful. And then you're going to bring the hand back down to the ground. That's 1 rep. And let's do this for 10 reps on each side. And then to come out of it, you step up and then stand forward. For this exercise, we're going to be warming up the shoulders. Grab your paddle, take a pretty wide grip on it. We're going to go back and down. You'll feel a pretty good stretch in the pec muscles, and you'll feel some activation on the back side of the shoulders. You're going to do 10 reps just straight, and then you can go around the world for 10 reps. Lead with one arm, follow with the other. If this grip feels a little bit too easy, just go a little bit more narrow. For this exercise, we're going to be doing what is called a hollow hold. Although it doesn't seem like it, paddleboarding is a very core heavy exercise. So in order to warm up the core, I think this is the best way to do it. We're going to lay back down. Obviously, if you have a mat, this is easier. On the grass might be okay. You're going to bring your arms overhead, and you're going to contract your core, hold for 1 second, and then relax. And then you're going to shoot for 10 reps. As you could see, I was shaking a little bit. That's completely normal. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to let us know in the comments below what you want to see in the next warm-up video. See you next time.